Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, 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 hey. YouTube, what's good? What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we're gonna make a trap beat. For those who want to make trap beats, let's go. Let's get right into it. All right, so here we have this beat that I made. This was an old beat that I used. Forgive me for using an old beat. But I just like this beat. I thought it was good. And you know what? It's actually good that it's an older beat, because I was closer to when I was like, I mean, it's not close to when I started making beats, but it's not today. It wasn't today. Like, we're way more advanced. You know, I was a bit less advanced there then, but this beat's still fire. So I thought it was a good selection for this video. So let's get right into it, guys. The first thing I use, as I said before, as you guys know, I like to start with the melody. So I got my Rhodes going. Well, yeah, I love this E piano, bright MK2 blackface. You know, Logic users, you know about this. So this is what I had, man. Hey. So yeah, that's what I decided to go with. Let me play that. So where was I? So okay. All right. So this is what I played. That's pretty much what I played, man. And I was like, okay, I like that. So what I did was, again, I printed it. So I can now mute this. Actually, I'll mute it this way. After you print it, it mutes that way. And then I have it here now. All right. So that's what I did. That's how I got that there. And then I was just like, bruh, I need a slapper. So I put some claps with it first. Put some claps. Hey. Just to make sure it doesn't knock yet. Let me loop this. And so that's what I pretty much got. I put that. Let me kind of put this in order, I guess. So I put that there. I got this and then jeez. Then I got that going. Then I got that snare. I was like, okay, I need a slapper. I need a slapper. Then I added some. Hey. Add a little extra snare in the pocket, you know. And then let's go with our hi-hats. Just trying to build up the beat. Just trying to build it up. Okay, I didn't even move anything there. Vibe out. Then I got the hi-hats going. Hey. You know, simple hi-hat rhythm, simple pattern. Then I added a second one just to kind of give it a little more texture, like, you know. I added that second hi-hat just to give it a little more texture. So pretty much it would sound like this. by itself, it was first sounding like this. Then I added that one just to fill it out a little more. Hey. Then I used Ultra Beat here and just added. So I didn't have that really turned up. Let's turn it up a bit. Let's put that to 100. And so I pretty much had that going. So that's the hi-hats. That's what I got going with the hi-hats there. So far we have all this. All right. Hey. Actually, and I got the bass going. So now I needed some low end, right? As we always need some low end. So this is what I dropped on it. Let me take them snares out. Just let me let the bass vibe out. Hey, 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 hey. That's fire. Hey, 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 hey. That's fire. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Hey. So that's what I got so far, guys. That's pretty much the whole beat, and that's what I was rocking with. I was like, yes, this is it. This is it. So that's pretty much how you make a trap beat. It does not take much. I know it looks like a lot here, but it's a few. It's just like the main melody, snares, hi-hat, drum. Boom. That's it. Doesn't take much more than that. So let's see how it's rocking out. Hey, hey, hey. But I don't. Oh, did not mean to do that. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Hey, hey. I did the slow down. Hey, hey. I believe in one of my other videos I explain how you do that slow down. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, 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 hey. 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 Hey, hey. Oh, that roll. Hey, okay, that roll. Let's talk about that roll a bit. Let's talk about that roll. So, that roll is just an extra little filler. I'm sure you hear it in a lot of trap music. Extra little filler, just you know, to add a little more decoration to the kick. Realm. So what I did for this was obviously cut it down. So I cut up my kick, cut it up to get it smaller like this. You it'll be tough to use this grid. So what you have to do is you come up here and you change the grid. You put it, it's at, right now I have it at 4 and 4, 16. I don't know exactly how to, like, you know, the actual terms of this, but I just have it 4x4, man, and 16. So 4x4, 16. I changed the 16 to, I believe it, 32. So you're changing up the bars, right? You're changing up the bars. Yeah, that's it. I put it to 32. Right? You're pretty much changing up the bars, the grid, right? So now what I want to do is, you got to make sure that you're very careful with this, because I'm going to press Command Z, bring it back to a what? What did you just do, bro? Bring that back, redo the drag. Sometimes when you change the bars, if you're selected here, it will change right here. Everything else will remain the same, but it'll just change this part wherever you have the cursor. So just be careful of that too. So I'm gonna put it back to 16. So pretty much that's what I did to have that stutter of the kick. I put it at 16, or I put it at 32, and then that allowed me to put the kick in different sections, right? Different bars. So let's put that back to 16, and pretty much that's how I got that kick stutter. Hey, bang, hey, hey. I made a record to this song. Some of you may know it. Well, a lot of you know it actually. It's called Usual. When I released this song years ago, people really liked it, really enjoyed it, and then I took it down because I got into a situation with an artist and they wanted the record. They used the record, so I had to take my version down. But this was pretty much what I did, right? This was how I created the song. The artist, they wrote their own verse, they wrote their own verses, but they liked the hook. They liked the hook and the beat, obviously. And so yeah, it was a great opportunity. Got to work with another artist, and you know, they heard my music, they liked it, and I got a record placed with them, right? So that's amazing. That's amazing. Whether it's big artists or small artists, it's fire. You create something and other people recognize it and they want to use it. That's what you're doing it for, right? So pretty much I'm gonna play a sample of what I got, a sample of how I came up with this. So I just had the beat going. This is what I usually do. And if I create a beat and I'm in the zone, I will just go in and just start recording, mumbling ideas. And this is pretty much, you know. Oh, that's usual. So I was just thinking of an idea of like, oh, that's the usual, like, but I wanted something that's catchy. So, oh, that's the usual. And then, oh, that's the usual. And now I was like, okay, I don't want to say usual. Oh, that's the usual. Oh, that's the usual. Like, come on, what? So I just named it Usual, USU. Oh, that's the usual. Oh, that's the usual. And I was like, that's catchy. So I went in and like put down the idea. So I came up with the hook. I believe I came up with the hook first, because I was like, oh, that's the usual. Oh, that's the usual. Oh, that's the usual. Right? So that's what I came up with first. And I was like, all right, yo, I like that. And I'm obviously using my voice memos on the iPhone. Voice memo users, y'all know what exactly I mean. And I was like, bruh, let's do this. So I was like, all right. I pulled up, you know, a channel for the audio channel to record. And I started putting down some random ideas. But this is what I came up with. This is the finished product. I'm going to show you what I did for the hook. Okay, we're going to break it down a little bit. So this is what I did for the hook. This is not a mixing video, so I'm not gonna be going into mixing really or anything. But this is the idea.
Yo, but I do not know what you mean. Oh, this is yo. Talking about how you know me. Oh, this is yo. Talking about let's get down. Oh, that's a yo. Talking about how you OT now.
Hey.
Oh, that's a yo.
So that's pretty much the idea. That was the vibe I went with. That was the flow. I was like, oh, that's pretty catchy. That's pretty catchy. And so then I was like, all right, let's go to the verse. So this is, you're gonna hear the verse and it'll go right into the hook. Solo that. Hey, hey,
bang, 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 bang. FTF. Turn it up. Right now.
Shout out FTF.
I'll be down in about 15. Oh, that's a yo. Yeah, you waiting on me. Oh, that's a yo. The cameras on me, they on me. Oh, that's a yo. My girl be on me, she on me. Oh, that's a yo. But I do not know what you mean. Oh, that's a yo. Talking about how you know me.
Hey.
Oh, that's a yo. Talking about let's get down.
Hey.
Oh, that's a yo. Talking about how you OT now. Oh, that's a yo. Talking about you got this and got that. Oh, that's a yo. Talking about how you pull up. Oh, that's a yo. I never see you pull up, man.
Hey.
Never see you pull up, man. I guess that's a yo. I guess that's the yo. All of these people around me.
Hey, so that's it, guys. That's how I came up with this record. That's the idea that I came up with for the beat. You could do the same. Just try to get some catchy melodies with your, whatever type of instrument you're gonna use, whether it's, bells. Bells are really popular for trap music. You can do it with piano. Piano is extremely popular for trap music. So trap beats. So whatever idea you come up with, just try to get something catchy and just throw a heavy 808 on it. Throw a heavy 808 on it, as you saw, as I demonstrated in this video. So do your thing. Make some slappers and send them to me. I told you guys. I saw my emails there. Send me stuff. Let's go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope the methods I use in this video help. I hope the song helps. I hope it inspires you to maybe create your own music, your own, not just beats, but maybe a song too. So keep doing your thing, guys. Keep doing your thing. And remember, treat others the way you want to be treated. Catch you in the next video. Peace.